If you are asking how to buy shares of Detection Technology Oyj, this quick guide shows the practical steps. Detection Technology Oyj makes industrial X-ray detectors and imaging systems. It trades on CBOE EU under the ticker DETEC.HE, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To trade, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, which usually requires an identity document, and you will need to add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker DETEC.HE to find the listing. Confirm you have selected the correct Detection Technology Oyj result before proceeding. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for DETEC.HE. Double-check the company name and ticker to ensure this is the correct share. To invest, click Buy or Trade, enter the amount you wish to invest, and review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued, and if your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before the trade can complete. Once confirmed, your position will appear in your portfolio and you can monitor it there. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to learn more.